What's up everybody, today we're going to check out Polkadot because there's a high chance that this coin is going to explode pretty soon here in the future. A lot of crypto experts are telling here that basically Polkadot will explode pretty soon, so let's check it out. Let's see what they're talking about. Is it true? And let's see what's going to happen here. So here we are on market cap. As you can see right now, the market cap of this coin is actually going down because the whole market is going down. So we're down by almost 7% here, which is pretty much okay because I'm going to show you guys that the rest of the coins are actually going even more down than Polkadot here. But the volume here did increase by 15% because of the selling power, 2.5 billion volume and 32 billion market cap, almost 33 here, which is just insane to see, of course. Now a lot of watches here, 750,000 watches, which is an insane number. So yeah, pretty cool things are happening here. This coin has been going up for the last couple of days here, so we're gonna check it out pretty soon. But first, let's go to their Twitter. Let's check out the latest news we have on their Twitter. So let me talk about this part here, saying, so everybody knows what Polkadot is all about, so I don't think I have to explain you what Polkadot is all about. But yeah, it says here, with the cross consensus message format nearing its first production ready release. So more on this link here. Don't miss your opportunity to learn the basics of how to send and receive XCM messages during a workshop at Sub-Zero Online. So yeah, do check it out. Pretty cool things are happening here. We got some, okay, Polkadot here. It says at the Logos blockchain event early today with our community members at Polkadot stand. Super cool to see here what's been happening. The Polkadot has been promoting itself. Chainlink also working here. So yeah, pretty cool things are happening to the coin. It says here, miss the Polkadot hack launch event. Check out the video. You check out the video if you do want so. So pretty cool things are happening here to Polkadot. We're not having too many new posts here, but it is still pretty interesting to see what's been happening with different companies, different projects, and Polkadot together. So pretty good, just pretty good to see. But let's continue, guys. Let's check out the price prediction. Let's check out some analysis here on this coin. So what's been happening this here is the chart for Polkadot. Now look at this. It's just amazing things. This is the all-time high we had before. Basically, this is the whole huge drop we had, of course, because of Bitcoin, because of the whole crypto market. So the all-time high was all the way here at 49, let's say $50. So let's say about 50 bucks. It was pretty good, still 49, but yeah, let's say 50 bucks. Basically, after that, the coin did drop a lot here. If we do measure the drop from this to the dip here, 80% drop. That's an insane drop in 2 months only. It did drop by 80%. So basically, after that, after this point here, after this bullish cross here, we continue to go up. So how much do we go up if we do measure from this all the way to the highest high right now? 270% increase in the last 56 days, which is pretty insane and pretty cool to see. Now, what does this mean for the future of this coin? Will we continue to go? Can we get past this level? Well, it all depends. First thing first, if we want to reach the all-time high, if we want this coin to reach new heights by the end of this year, Bitcoin has to do the same thing. So right now, if you check out Bitcoin is kind of getting rejected at this level here, but it's not too big of a problem. We're still having a lot of time here. We did make a bullish cross here at the 4-hour chart, but still at 1 day here, we're still pretty much okay, where we're still at the bullish cross. It just shows you that Bitcoin is still okay, that there's not too many problems, and that we're still continuing to go up slowly here, even after this huge drop in price. Now it all depends. It all depends. Every single coin right now is going down. We're seeing some rejection, but it's actually a good sign because the RSI is pulling down. We're seeing more selling volume, but like I said, the RSI has to go down if we want these coins to be able to continue to go up pretty soon. Now, if you do check out this RSI here at Polkadot, basically you see that it did go down by a lot here, which is just a good sign that we're getting ready to make another huge explosion and for this coin to get ready to just continue to go up. Now, if you do check out the crosses here, these crosses, like the bullish and the bearish crosses, lasted for a pretty small time. If we actually do measure this is 4 days here, and this is, I think here it's going to be about 3 days, also 4 days. So basically, this coin is fighting. There's a huge community behind Polkadot that wants this coin to be just explode and continue to go up. You just see that even if the coin does go down, the community here just pulls the coin up again. Huge investors do invest into the coin, and it does continue to go up. Now, of course, if we want Polkadot to continue to go up, we're gonna need a lot more volume. So the market cap is just huge. So $33 billion is just a huge number. So 2.5 billion volume is just not going to be enough if we want this coin to continue to go up, of course. So what needs to happen here? We're going to need to increase the volume a lot. So for us to go to the all-time high, how much more do we need to increase? If we measure from here to here, basically it's 50%. So 50% increase. That means we're basically gonna need about 15 to 16 billion dollars more in Polkadot. Is it possible? I believe yeah. We should be able to do it, but only if we're gonna be in the bull run. So if Bitcoin continues to go up, if Bitcoin breaks its all-time high, then Polkadot will basically break its own all-time high. Not just Polkadot, but all the rest of the coins here. So Ethereum, Cardano here. Okay, Cardano has been breaking its all-time high. Cardano's been doing a really great job here, but also the rest of these coins. So Polkadot does have a chance here. We also have to enter like altcoin season. We have going into that altcoin season, but not too much. So what needs to happen is that people who made a lot of profit here from Bitcoin are going to invest into other altcoins, and Polkadot is going to be one of those coins that is just good for investing because people do know the Polkadot will go up. So imagine like huge investors like putting into this coin like $10 million or something like that, and then having a 50% increase. If we just reach the all-time high, that's going to be 50% for them. That should mean like $5 million more for them. So those investors will invest. Now, another huge sign that this coin is doing great is that you can check out the volume here. So the volume has been increasing. So the volume is doing a good job right now. We are going up. You can just see if you look at the RSI, if we do zoom in, that we're inside of this kind of rising wedge, like a rising triangle, where we are continuing to go more and more for the volume. So more and more people are instantly here into Polkadot. Now we are seeing like some correction, like I did say, it is pretty much okay, but it is a huge indicator that we have to be patient. So patience is key for the next couple of days here, and maybe in weeks. I think it's going to be the next couple of days until we see more buying power. So Bitcoin needs to make a reversal, and then we're going to see a reversal here also for Polkadot, where Polkadot will continue to go up pretty soon. Now let's measure it. Actually, let's just take here a Fibonacci. Let's place it from here to here. As you can see, it's pretty close to the all-time high. You can even say that it's trying to reach the all-time high here. At least this high, this previous all-time high, is trying to reach it. So that's at $48 actually. So $48, the target at least from the Fibonacci, as we're seeing here. So $48, is it possible? Like I said, it should be able to do it. Like by the end of the year, yes, we should be able to reach the all-time high. Can we get past it? It all depends again on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin somehow does pass its all-time high, there's a huge chance that even Polkadot here will be able to pass its all-time high. So how much can we go up? Well, if we just want to reach the all-time high, like I said, we're gonna need 15 to, let's say it's $16 billion. So that means the market cap right now, if we add 16 billion to it, is going to be approximately $50 billion. For it to increase a lot more, of course, we're gonna need a lot more money. So how much can we increase? What does this Fibonacci? Let's actually make, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna make the ultimate Fibonacci. Let's go to the one-day chart here. Let's just make the ultimate Fibonacci right over here. So the ultimate Fibonacci would be that we take this level here, and this is the target. So this is the next target here for Polkadot. Can we do something like this, where we're going to increase all the way to 74? So 74 is the next price target if and only if we do pass the all-time high. So how much more is that increase? That's if we go from here to here, that's 50% increase again, which should mean that Polkadot is going to need $75 billion in market cap. Now, is 75 billion possible? Yes, it is. Cardano does have something like that right now. So I don't know what's the market cap for Cardano right now as I'm speaking, but I believe that because Cardano is able to do it, I believe that Polkadot also has a good chance to reach those numbers. So that should mean if we do measure from now until like those 75, it's going to need 121% increase. That's how much you could get if you do purchase the coin right now. I'm not telling you to purchase it, but there's a chance that 120% increase is going to happen. Now, what I most likely would tell you guys is that if you're planning to invest like a little bit of money, then it's just not possible. You're not gonna get a huge return on your investment. But if you're planning to invest a lot of money, then it's a lot better, of course, because the more money you have, the more money you're gonna get from these increases. But of course, it's a lot different. If you want to make a lot of money with smaller amounts of money, then of course you need to invest into smaller altcoins. Like Polkadot is just a huge altcoin here on the top 10. So just because of this, it's gonna be super hard for Polkadot to move up, but it's really good if you have like a lot of money to invest. Of course, guys, only invest the money you're able to spend. Do not sell your house or something like that to invest into crypto. Do be aware of that and do be careful. So in the end, we are still pretty good. If you look at the 1 day, we did make like this giant bullish cross, which is amazing to see. So huge bullish cross making the coin go up. Super cool, super good, and just continuing to go up. We're still in that giant funnel where we do continue to go up, which is pretty good. We had a retest here for the 55 and it did just bounce back off, continue to go up. Look at this, boom. So correction exactly at the 20 here at the 1 day, which is really good. Just pulled it back. It's just gonna test here for safety, and pretty soon it should be able to break through and continue to go up. So good things. I'm seeing just good things happen here to Polkadot. The RSI, like I said, is going down. We're seeing like a funnel here that's making the coin go down. And basically that's a really good sign, because later on we should be able to just increase a lot more. Like I said, the volume has been increasing steadily here, which is really good. Actually, somebody who sold here sold for a lot, like right over here. Last couple of hours here, somebody sold a lot of volume. So we got a lot of profit here, which is pretty interesting. Probably they invested into other altcoins, but yeah. That's how we play the crypto game. You just sell altcoins and then invest into other bitcoins, and so when you make profit from those bitcoins, you could then invest into altcoins and just do it again and again and again, and until you get a lot of profit. And that's it, until the bull run is basically over. So yeah, we still have a lot of chances here. It's still basically August here, so we have a couple of months for us to reach like the all-time high and break it. So yeah, pretty soon we should be able to break it, like at least in the next month or month and a half, maybe less, maybe more. Let's just measure this actually. So this much increase, we needed 2 months. So for us to increase another, let me just measure this again, another basically just 50%, we're gonna need, it should be like 20 days if we continues to go up just like this. So 20 days if it does continue to go like this, maybe even a month. But yeah, still just awesome signs, awesome beautiful signs here for Polkadot, that this coin has the chance for just continuing to go up. So yeah, in the end, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to invest into these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me if you can like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.